I think this mixtape is one of those renditions which I feel people will really like for a very long time.
मेरी कागज की कश्ती को किनारा दे दो ना, किनारा दे दो ना, मेरे कागज की कश्ती को किनारा दे दो ना, किनारा दे दो ना. Hello everyone, welcome to peoplemoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani and today I'm extremely excited to be chatting with Arman Malik and Palak Muchal. And now we have all seen them Taal Se Taal Milate Hue, but today in our new music segment, Taal Se Sawal Mila, we are going to see both of them in an all new avatar. Hi Palak, hi Arman, welcome to People Moon.
Hi Rashita.
Hi Rashita.
Hi. So, as I explained, there is this segment that we have started and it's called Taal Se Sawal Mila. So there is quiz and there is some rapid fire rounds. So there are 2 rounds in this and you two will be competing against each other. So we'll just see who wins.
Let's go.
Yeah. So the first segment is now I have 10, chits here from 1 to 10. Each one of you will select one number alternatively, and whatever word is in that number, you have to sing a song from that word. Now, the twist here is it shouldn't be an existing song. You have to make a song. Yeah. So just a line or 2. And trust me, I've done this before with previously also with mixtape singers. So they have actually realized that humko to yahan se 3-4 gaane hi mil gaye hain, and we will develop something out of that. So I'm sure it sounds a little difficult, but it's not, trust me. Okay, great. So Palak, let's start with you. Choose a number.
Okay. 3.
3. Okay, great. So this is number 3 and the word it has is ladki.
I can take lyrics now, purani gaane mein se. I can like create.
Yeah, that's fine. Little bit you can. Yeah, that's fine.
ये लड़की बड़ी अनजानी है, सपना है सच ये कहानी है.
Okay, great.
Arman will definitely do better than me in this song.
I'm gonna try.
Okay, pick a number.
Number 4.
Number 4. Okay. So this is number 4 and it has the word ghar written on it.
I was song called Ghar Se Nikal Di, but I can't use that. Okay. हम सब है फंसे घर के अंदर, ओ घर के अंदर. हम सब
quarantine song.
है फंसे घर के अंदर, ओ घर के अंदर.
Okay, amazing. Okay, Palak, go next.
5.
So this is 5 and it has chehra written on it.
Arman is already making his version of Chehra.
I'm thinking what to do with it.
चेहरा पढ़ लो क्या लिखा है, तेरा नाम ही तो लिखा है. That's all.
Okay, that actually sounded like a legit song. Okay, great. Arman, pick a number.
What about 8?
Yeah, 8's here. So this is 8 and it has the word kahani written on it.
Kahani. I don't know how I'm getting these tunes, but मैंने ये कहानी पहले भी सुनी है, बता रहा हूँ मैं पर अभी. मैंने ये कहानी पहले सुनी है, बता रहा हूँ मैं अभी. Random.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, Palak, pick a number.
9.
9. Okay. That's 9 and it
देखो ना ये आ ही गया मौसम प्यार का मौसम प्यार का.
Okay, superb. Arman, go next.
Number 2.
This is number.
Okay, I got a dance track for Barish.
Oh, that's great.
बारिश मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, ओ नहीं है, ओ बारिश मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, टन 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 नहीं है.
Okay, fab. Okay, Palak. So
दूर से पसंद है. अच्छा, by the way, all these songs we're making copyrights हमारे यहाँ, please.
Yeah.
Which are the numbers left?
So there's 1, 6, 7, and 10.
7.
Okay, great. So that's 7, and it has Naina written on it.
नैना मेरे कुछ कहते हैं तुझसे आ पढ़ ले क्या कहते हैं तुझसे.
Okay, great. Sweet. Okay. So there's 1, 6, and 10 now, Arman.
1, 6, and 10. Okay.
Yeah.
1.
1. Okay. I think there are a million songs on this. Pyar.
Pyar. Typical melody ले रहा हूँ मैं, but just to make a song.
Yeah, yeah.
हाँ प्यार किया तुझसे, हाँ मैंने प्यार किया तुझसे, प्यार किया तुझसे, इकरार किया तुझसे.
Super vibe.
वो वाला beat.
You know, when this interview releases, you can actually see and you can make 2-3 songs around.
100%. I'm actually going to use this. This is a very good exercise. We can use this to create songs. I'm going to tell someone to just put a fishbowl, put chits in it with different words, and whenever I'm going to create a song, this would just be the perfect inspiration.
Yeah, really fun.
Great. Okay. There's 6 and 10 remaining.
10.
So it has Kagaz written.
I'm getting a very focused kind of tune. मेरी कागज की कश्ती को किनारा दे दो ना, किनारा दे दो ना, मेरे कागज की कश्ती को किनारा दे दो ना, किनारा दे दो ना.
Okay, wonderful. Perfect. Okay, so now we just have number 6. It has disco on it.
Disco. इंग्लिश में आ रहा है कुछ, मेरे को अभी हिंदी में नहीं आ रहा है.
It's fine, works.
I just wanna go to the disco, disco. I just wanna go to the disco. I just wanna go to the disco, disco. I just wanna go to the disco.
Fantastic. I must say, Arman, your English song vibe, I listen to Control on loop. I have to tell this to you, and you have to make more of such songs.
I'm not stopping, don't worry.
Great.
You have to keep, every day just keep giving me these chits, I'll make a new song.
Sure. Done deal. Okay. So, of course, the first round, both of you were fantastic, but just for the timing part, Arman wins this one. But trust me, whoever wins the first round, the second round, the other person wins. So, Palak, I think you're going to kill it.
Not only in terms of timing, songs were generally better. So, yeah.
If that was the criteria, then probably, yeah. But otherwise, I think some beautiful songs were made.
Yeah, both from both of you. True. Okay. So now the second round is, there are very iconic Bollywood songs. We have all heard these songs. Now these are jumbled words, so I have just mixed and matched and taken two lines from each song. You have to guess which song this is. I'll say it like a proper normal sentence. Okay.
Are the songs from
So the
from any particular era?
from for example, if it's Mahi Way, so I'll just jumble the lyrics and say it. You
Any
have to
song,
guess which
from
song.
any
Yeah, any song. Yeah.
So we have to do
Okay.
what exactly?
I'll just say the song as a sentence and it's jumbled words idhar udhar. You have to guess which song that.
Okay, fine. Take it.
Okay. So the first one is क्या मुझको है हुआ मैं गया हूँ खो क्यों था पहले पागल अब गया हूँ निगाहें बैठी है बाल है बिखरे बनाया हाल तुमने है
मुझको
अपना.
क्या हुआ है?
Oh, I'm gonna be very bad at this.
Okay, you have to name the song. Palak, which song is this?
कोई मिल गया.
Correct, yeah. Okay. The second one is रख के मैं चीजें जाती हूँ भूल बेख्याली गुनगुनाती
कुछ तो
हूँ
हुआ
मैं.
है. कुछ तो हुआ है.
Oh wow. It looks like, yeah.
I would have never been able to think this. I don't know.
She was so quick.
Oh God.
Okay, fantastic. Okay. Now this one's ए इंतजार हम सफर जरा मेरे
मेरे हम
सफर. This is from your mixtape. Okay, great. Now the score is 2-1. No, actually both of you said this one together. So 3-1.
So it's 3-1.
Yeah. Okay. The fourth one is मनमोनी सलोनी अदाएं सावली जैसी ब्यूटी तेरी नहीं.
Coca-Cola too.
Yes. Wow.
What
It
is
looks
happening?
like someone passed on this list to Palak and she was like in the morning she has practiced and come.
Palak, who has leaked the paper to you?
No, I keep playing these games.
Okay, great. Okay, the last one is सोना रूप तेरा सोना है पायल तेरी. Oh my
Roop
God.
tera sona sona.
Yeah.
I already guessed her, man.
She said, I just said Sona Roop, she said Shava Shava. Okay, see, as I told, so the second round has been won by Palak, and so 1-1. Now,
Landslide
I
victory.
wish this wasn't a virtual interview, so you guys could have gotten a hamper and gotten a chance to share it also. But yeah, whenever we meet next.
Yes.
Okay. So lastly, I just have a few questions on your mixtape that recently released, garnered so much love and appreciation. So firstly, tell me, how was it teaming up? Because when I heard and watched your mixtape, it was very soothing to my ears and I was feeling the vibe of it. How was it, collaborating?
I think it's always awesome to have a really great, understanding, talented duet partner. And Palak is that and even more. Be it this collaboration, be it any other song, we've always been able to come together and do something magical. So I think this mixtape is one of those renditions which I feel people will really, really like for a very long time. Even though these are two songs that have been mashed up and recreated, I feel like this song is a new song in entirety, and people will really, really love it for what it is today. And just being part of the whole mixtape concept, it has been wonderful. Abhijit Wagani, who's put all the songs together and arranged it, kudos to him. He's done a wonderful job. You don't even know which song goes into which song seamlessly. So I think he's done a wonderful job doing that. And it's always a pleasure doing collaborations with Palak. Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar is one of our super hit songs together. We've each done our own versions of Kaun Tujhe. So yeah, I think we've just always had this chemistry together, and I think it's wonderful to see how people react to it. So yeah, fans have poured in a lot of love, and it's doing very well. So I'm really glad.
Fantastic. Palak?
It's always, it feels so good to be a part of mixtape. This was my third mixtape season, and I was really happy more than ever because I was collaborating with Arman for mixtape. And like he said, we've done so many songs together and they all have been loved by people so much. And I think in terms of tonality also, our voices, they just complement each other. And when you were asking the question, you said that mixtape sounds soothing. So I think it's because of the what you say, chemistry, or the way our voices gel with each other, and we come from the same headspace. I think when we sing the song, when we kind of approach the song, that's what makes it sound magical, and I'm really happy that people are loving it so much.
Okay, agree. Great. And with love and with so much appreciation for a duo like you two, I read a few comments when you released a short reel from the mixtape, and there were people, they were like, we were waiting for your reunion and we were waiting for you two to come together. Now, when you get so much of love, is there also a part of pressure that's put, because people start expecting so much from you two as a duo?
I don't think so. There's any pressure, to be honest.
Okay.
I think it's just being able to, put out something that resonates with audiences for a long period of time, be it whichever era they belong from. I think a lot of songs that Palak and I have sung, be it children or be it grandparents, they love it from all ages, and I think that's very rare to see. Because not a lot of people have that much of a wide audience, and we are lucky, we're blessed that we are able to do that with our music. So I think there's no pressure as such. It's just doing quality work every time we do a song together, and that's the only thing that we want to strive for, and make sure that whatever we put out, we know that we have done our best. I'm sure that obviously each song has its own journey. You can't really kind of predict what a song is going to become or what it's going to do, but as long as you've done your best, you have to leave it to the audience, and how they respond to it is a whole new journey altogether. But we have to just do our best and leave it out into the universe, and I think me and Palak make sure that we put our vocal best out there in every song that we do, and I think audiences love whatever we have done so far, and I hope that they continue to do that.
I'm sure they will, definitely. Okay, great. Palak, what about you?
I feel the same. I think we put 100% into anything that we're doing, and Logo Ka Pyar, it doesn't put any pressure on you. I think it just makes you celebrate your work more, because then आपके आसपास एक aura होता है blessings का, प्यार का, so it just makes everything so more positive and happy, and you feel so good about doing what you're doing. So yeah, there's no pressure. There's only celebration because of the love.
Perfect. That's great. Okay, thank you so much, Arman and Palak, for joining in. All the very best for all your future projects.
Thank you. Bye.
You're most welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.